slam, work it back. Filter that, baby, bump that track. Groove slam, work it back. Filter that, baby, bump that track. Groove slam, work it back. Space cowboy, just play that track. Gaga in the room, so starstruck, cherry, 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 cherry. Rolling up to the club on the weekend, stand up to the beat that you're freaking, fantasizing.
Oh, there you go. Hey! Is it icing? Huh? It's like cake batter. I think it's cake batter. Ah! My hands are covered in it. Okay. We're outside right now. In my front yard. I don't know if you can see us. They can see me. Not a lot, but kind of. You like cake? I laid an egg before. I gave birth to a penguin. That's so hard to do. Yeah, she ate my egg. And that's how she gave birth. So, we have a baby. Well, it's my baby, but she took it, so. Our baby. Is there anything left? I can't see. What is that? I thought it was a spider. I should have brought paper towels. I don't think I can make my cake now. So we can eat it tonight since they didn't buy us food. We done got no food to do icing. But Lizzie got some. Oh my gosh, you're lucky. Lizzie got some tail. What was that? Oh, the dog. Why is there a dog running? There's a doggy running on the road! Go get it! Hi, puppy. Puppy, come back! So wait, you saw it too, right? The thing is running right beside the car? Yes. I didn't know what it was. It kind of scared me. Is it a doggy? I was startled. But I didn't think it was really there, so I didn't want to say nothing. I wish you could see us more. We should have brought a flashlight. Very luck next time. Good luck, Charlie! I hate that show. Maybe it hates you. I hope it does. Fine then. How about we do it this way? Good luck, Toby! Toby? The new baby! I don't watch that show! Amy had another kid! Yeah, I know she was pregnant, but... Watch her end up having another one! And another one, and another one. She might have like 20 kids by the end of the show. Okay. Good girl. No. That was dirt. What is that? Is it moving? No, it's a bug. I mean...